Exploring Earth's surface. Geomorphology is the branch of geology that is concerned with landforms and the process that create them. Geomorphologists distinguish many types of landforms by looking at topography. Topography is the shape of the land, which could be flat, sloping, hilly, or mountainous. The topography of an area includes the area's elevation, relief, and landforms. Elevation is the point on Earth above sea level. In general, you would expect mountains to have a higher elevation than coastal areas. The difference in elevation between the highest and lowest parts of an area is its relief. When travelers cross over the Rocky Mountains with its huge peaks separated by the deep valleys, they are going through areas of high relief or great differences in elevation. Landforms are features of topography, such as a hill or a valley, formed by the process that shape Earth's surface. Different landforms have different combinations of elevation and relief. There are three main types of landforms: plains, mountains, and plateaus. A plain is a landform made up of nearly flat or gentle rolling land with a low relief. A coastal plain is one that lies along a seacoast and extends up a continent's shores. Coastal plains have both low elevation and low relief. This is different than an interior plain that lies away from the coast. While interior plains still have low relief, their elevation can vary. The broad plains of North America, called the Great Plains, extend north from Texas all the way into Canada, and they spread west to the Rocky Mountains from the states of North and South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. Mountains are landforms with high elevation and high relief. They usually occur as part of a mountain range or a group of mountains that are closely related in shape, structure, and age. The different mountain ranges in a region make up a mountain system. In Idaho, there's one mountain range called the Bitterroot Mountains. This is one mountain range in the mountain system known as the Rocky Mountains. The Rocky Mountains are part of a mountain belt that stretches down the sides of North and South America. A mountain belt are mountain ranges and mountain systems in a long connected chain that form a much larger unit. Plateaus are landforms that have high elevation in also a more or less level surface. Because they have streams and rivers that can be found cutting across the plateau surface, the surfaces are not generally perfectly smooth. The Great Plains and Rocky Mountains that we discussed are major landform regions. A landform region is a large area of land where the topography is made up of mainly one type of landform. Other terms used to describe landform regions are a basin, which is lower than the mountains around it, an upland, which is a region of a hilly topography, and a lowland, which is a region of plains with low elevation.